Number 7. Sky Dream, Taiwan. If you're someone who loves gazing at the sky and dreams of flying, then the Sky Dream Ferris wheel in Taichung will capture your heart instantly. Located in the Lipeo Resort, this dreamlike attraction has a staggering diameter of 120 meters and stands on Yueme Mountain at an elevation of 258 meters. Adding the wheel's own height of 126 meters, the total altitude reaches an impressive 384 meters. Riding here feels like stepping onto a dynamic version of the Taipei 101 Observatory, only this time overlooking the panoramic landscape of Taichung, with views extending to the Shuishan mountain range and Dada Ridge, and on clear days, even the shimmering waters of the Taiwan Strait. But Sky Dream's story is just as extraordinary as its size. Originally known as the Sky Dream Fukuoka, it once stood proudly at the Marino City Resort in Japan's Fukuoka, where it was celebrated as the tallest gravity-type Ferris wheel in the world. However, when the local area was slated for redevelopment, the wheel faced demolition. At that critical moment, Chang Yong-fa, the founder of the Evergreen Group, decided it should belong to Taiwan. Thus, the entire structure was dismantled into 121 containers, transported by 13 cargo ships, and over 3 years, it was shipped across the East China Sea to Taichung. Weighing 1,300 tons, equivalent to 260 fully grown African elephants, its relocation was an unprecedented engineering challenge. To reassemble it flawlessly in Taiwan required not only tens of thousands of local engineers, but also experts brought in from Switzerland. With an investment of 550 million new Taiwan dollars, around 17.3 million US dollars, the project took nearly 3 years to complete. Today, Sky Dream is secured with advanced steel columns designed to withstand magnitude 6 earthquakes and typhoon force winds of level 16, having passed wind tunnel tests, seismic safety checks, and load-bearing experiments to meet Taiwan's highest construction standards. For many, Sky Dream is more than a Ferris wheel. It represents the Taiwanese spirit of daring to dream, to strive, and to achieve the impossible. From dismantling to rebirth, this cross-border relocation not only broke engineering records, but also demonstrated Taiwan's confidence and strength in large-scale structural projects. Number 6. Golden Reel, Macau. Amid the neon sea of Macau, the city known as the Las Vegas of the East rises a mechanical marvel that looks as if it were transported straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster, the Golden Reel. Built at a cost of 3.2 billion US dollars, this is no ordinary Ferris wheel adorned with twinkling lights. Instead, it is the world's tallest figure-8-shaped Ferris wheel, soaring 130 meters high and embedded dramatically between 2 luxury hotel towers. Designed by the renowned Inamine team, famous for creating the fastest roller coasters and most thrilling drop towers in the world, the Golden Reel redefines what a Ferris wheel can be. Inspired partly by the bat signal from Batman, its track forms a cosmic band resembling colliding planets, while passengers travel along its infinity-shaped loop in about 18 minutes per ride. With 17 capsules, each accommodating 10 people, the wheel can carry up to 170 visitors at once. Inside, the cabins combine futuristic design with retro-industrial aesthetics, making riders feel as though they have stepped into a sci-fi movie set. Since its grand opening in 2015, the Golden Reel has become an iconic stage in the sky. By day, it appears as a futuristic sculpture suspended between skyscrapers, and by night, illuminated by flowing lights, it transforms into a glowing spacecraft traversing the galaxy. Couples propose here, families enjoy the views, and filmmakers use it as a backdrop for movies and fashion shoots, making it one of Macau's most symbolic modern landmarks. Number 5. The London Eye, United Kingdom. Standing 135 meters tall with a diameter of 120 meters, the London Eye is a colossal wheel gracing the Thames riverbank. More than just an observatory, it embodies modern architectural innovation and romantic symbolism. Originally conceived in 1993 during a design competition for the Millennium celebrations, it almost never came to be, as no winning design was chosen. Yet architects David Marks and Julia Barfield, driven by passion, convinced the city to build their wheel, introducing an unprecedented single-sided A-frame support structure. From a distance, it appears like a luminous halo leaning gently against the Thames. With 32 sealed capsules, each seating 25 people, The wheel rotates gracefully at just 0.26 meters per second, completing one circuit in 30 minutes. This creates not a thrill ride, but a calm aerial stroll, offering views of Tower Bridge, Big Ben, St. Paul's Cathedral, and even Windsor Castle on clear days. Despite its initial plan to operate only until 2005, the London Eye became so popular, attracting over 3 million visitors annually, that in 2002 it was made permanent. Costing 70 million euros, about 76 million US dollars, it is now the most visited paid attraction in the UK, a frequent star in Hollywood blockbusters, and a permanent part of London skyline. Number 4. Eye of Bohai, China. When people think of Ferris wheels, they usually imagine a central axle turning passenger cabins in a circle. But China's Eye of Bohai rejected convention, abandoning the axle design entirely. With a wheel span of 125 meters and a total height of 145 meters, its 36 cabins appear to float independently along the rim, gliding like futuristic pods suspended in midair. The result feels like entering a sci-fi city straight out of Blade Runner. Constructing this marvel was no easy task. Engineers battled harsh northern winters, scorching summers, and the complex balance issues of a 5-axis structure, using 4,600 tons of steel over 2 years to bring it to life. Its design also integrates Chinese aesthetics. The wheel's steel framework is inspired by the spine of a dragon, with curving lines that resemble a dragon leaping from the sea. At night, 130,000 LED lights illuminate it, transforming the wheel into a silver dragon soaring into the sky. Since debuting in 2018, the Eye of Bohai has become not only a tourism highlight, but also a cultural symbol of Weifang, famous for its international kite festival and citywide light shows. Surrounding attractions include VR roller coasters, immersive cinemas, and family entertainment venues, making it a complete leisure destination. Unlike other global Ferris wheels, the Eye of Bohai emphasizes an integration of culture, technology, and aesthetics, standing as a new model of China's urban tourism transformation.